all patients in whom we find an infiltrate, irrespective of what the infiltrate is. Because I have seen patients in whom, now we have a patch like that. I see there is some kind of infiltration, some kind of adexotropism. I do see some kind of separation of hair roots. I have a suspicion. I can't say that, well, this is.
And this is not about meeting, it's about measurements. This patient VAS, it is unbelievable. It is VAS 8, it is the highest VAS in any condition of brightness. We reduced the 50% interest 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and it became 0 to 6 weeks. So it works like that. Of course, it doesn't work in all cases, it's a different story. So, for 1 year, it's a relation. So, where on that is not about meeting, it's about measurements. And if you look at this patient VAS, it is unbelievable. It is VAS 8, it is the highest VAS in any condition of brightness. We reduced the 50% interest 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and it became 0 in 6 weeks. So it works like that. Okay. Of course, it doesn't work in all cases, it's a different story. So
melanosome very selectively, precisely, without damaging the cell. So you are able to target the pigment without destroying the skin. That is the method of action of these Q-switch lasers. The choice of lasers that you use depends on your skin type, the level of pigment and distribution of pigment. If you're dealing with tattoos, the color of the tattoo, the placement of the tattoo, whether it is amateur tattoo or professional tattoo. What is most important while choosing your device is your specifications of lasers. You know that the Q-switch lasers have a pulse duration which is fixed. It is in the nanosecond domain, whereas the picosecond lasers are in the picosecond domain. So your pulse duration remains fixed. But what can vary is your spot size, your fluence can vary, and this combination of 3 different parameters, your fluence, your spot size, your energy, and will help you to deliver excellent results. We are all familiar with this melanin absorption curve, where you find that the best absorption of for melanin occurs between the ultraviolet light range up to the 1064 wavelength. In that particular, you find the maximum absorption of melanin. The Q-switch lasers have a nanosecond pulse duration.